How to turn on or turn off Smart Stack Widget Suggestions on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe across to go to the home screen page that has the Smart Stack. After that, touch and hold on the stack. Then tap on Edit Stack. Down at the bottom here, tap on Widget Suggestions. Tap on the button to toggle on or off. After that, we can tap on the Done button to go back to your home screen. Now, the Widget Suggestions uses machine learning to automatically recommend and display widgets based on your usage patterns and context. So for example, if you typically check the weather in the morning or use a specific app after work, the system will suggest those widgets at the right time of the day. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.